Welcome to Living Lotus Yoga Online. I'm Carol. This is your Complete Core Express. It's a dynamic class that's going to target your complete core. I'm talking front, back, sides, hips, and pelvic floor. It's a powerhouse Pilates-inspired class. It takes roughly 15 minutes to complete, so it is perfect when you are short on time but you still want to work out. Come onto your back and we'll get started. So come on into your constructive rest. Bring your feet to the mat, bend your knees, relax your arms by your sides. We're gonna take 3 toning breaths. So on the inhale, expand your belly, expand your rib cage. And on your exhale, try to find that core engagement, that lift through pelvic floor. Draw your navel back to the spine. Breathe out through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale to soften. Exhale, engage core. 1 more. Continue to breathe, and from here, lengthen your legs. Reach your arms up and overhead. Full body stretch on the inhale. On the exhale, remain in place. And slowly walk over to the left-hand side. So walk your heels, your head, and your hands, side body stretched. Couple of breaths here. We'll walk through center and we'll come over to the other side. Couple of breaths. And bring yourself back into center. From here, take winding pose. So knees coming into chest. Give your legs a nice big hug. Let's curl up, nose to knees, and then bring it all down onto the mat. We'll do that again. We'll curl up, nose to knees, and bring it back down onto the mat. Drop your feet down, arms down by your sides, palms down. From here, we're going to come into our 100. So let's make sure that we have a slight curve at the back of the neck, slight curve to the low back, and then bring your knees up into your tabletop position or reverse table. From here, we'll float the arms just about hip height, and then we're gonna curl or peel your upper back off of the mat, making sure to maintain that core engagement here, pumping the arms in for 5 and out for 5. Now, of course, if you wish, you can modify this slightly, bring your feet down, or go ahead, squeeze thighs, extend legs away from you. Find that variation or modification for table that works for you. Keep going. Keep that core engaged. We're coming up to about halfway, probably feeling a little bit tired here. Feel free to modify if you wish. Just keep on breathing. Try to relax shoulders away from ears. So close. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Winding pose, little relief there. Curl up, nose to knees. Head comes down, feet come down onto the mat. Bring your arms down by your sides, palms down. We're going to come into some single leg work here. Extend your left leg down to the bottom of the mat, and then extend your right leg up to the ceiling. Point the toes on the right leg. Engage the core, navel into spine. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop your leg down. Inhale, bring the leg slightly wide. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, lift to ceiling. And again. Couple more. Keep pointing the toes, keep the leg engaged, core is strong. This is it. Bring it to the ceiling. Bend the knees, slide the leg down to the bottom of the mat. Opposite side, draw your left knee in, extend left leg. Point toes on left leg. Get ready, and on we go. 5 on this side. Keep pointing the toes, core is strong. Last one. To the ceiling, bend it in, slide it down to the bottom of the mat. Take another full body stretch, reach your arms up and overhead. And on your exhale, once again, we'll take winding pose. Curl up, nose to knees. Bring it back down onto the mat. Again, curl up, nose to knees. Bring it all the way back down onto your mat. Feet down, and you're going to roll over onto your right side here. Extend the right arm out. We're going to use that right arm as a pillow, and we're going to bring our left hand in front just for a little bit more stability. Engage your core, top leg, left leg. Lift it up about hip width, and then you're going to rotate the thigh, knee to the ceiling, and then rotate the leg back parallel. Again, rotate to the ceiling, rotate back parallel. Again, one more. From here, rotate knee to ceiling. We're going to hold this leg position. Draw the foot in towards you. Extend, tap toes back down, slide the leg. Keep the leg rotated. And bring it back down. Two more, draw up, extend, tap toes, and lengthen. One more, draw up, extend, tap toes, and lengthen. Draw the leg back to parallel. Draw the knees towards you, so we're going to bend our knees, and we're going to come into side push-up, so left hand down. We can use our right arm for a little bit of stability if we like. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, press through left hand, draw yourself up. Again, inhale down, and up. Inhale down, and up. One more. Come up, stay up, turn yourself over onto all fours. From here, keep that core nice and strong. Tuck your toes. Let's come into our downward facing dog. Lift your hips to the sky. Draw your heels down towards the mat. Press evenly through your palms. 3 breaths. Inhale. Remember, we soften on the inhale. Exhale, engage core, navel to spine. Find lift through pelvic floor. 2 more. One more, hold strong. And exhale. We're going to come into our down dog push-up. So on your inhale, crown of the head towards the mat, bend the elbows, hug them in towards you. On your exhale, engage and press. We're going to do 4 more of those. Think about chaturanga arms. If you're a yogi, hug those elbows in towards you. You're drawing them towards the back of the mat. 2 more. Last one. Come up. From here, walk your feet slightly back. Hold that down dog. Inhale, wave forward plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, wave forward plank. Exhale, down dog. 2 more. Plank, down dog. Plank, down dog. Find your plank position. Feel free to drop your knees here if you wish. Even out the weight. We're going to do 4 of our Pilates push-ups or chaturanga push-ups. Again, if you're a yogi, hug those elbows in towards you. Come halfway. Exhale up. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Now come all the way down on your inhale. Belly down. Untuck your toes. Release your arms down by your sides, forehead to the mat. Draw your navel away from the mat. Maintain your core engagement. On your inhale, we're just going to lift the head and the chest off of the mat. And on your exhale, bring it down. This inhale, let's see if we can lift arms along with head and chest. And down. Third inhale, head and chest, arms and legs. And down. One more variation of your choice. Come on up. And hold, exhale. Inhale. And exhale down. Draw your hands up underneath your shoulders. Let's roll on over to the left side. Lengthen the left arm, it becomes our pillow. We're gonna reverse this side body work, so we'll start with our side push-ups. Right hand down to the ground. Engage the core, deep breath in. Exhale, press up. Inhale down, exhale up. 2 more. And come on down. Lengthen your legs. From here, we're gonna lift the top right leg about hip distance. Rotate the thigh knee to the ceiling. Now draw the toes up, extend, tap them down, lengthen leg. 3 more. And again, draw up, extend, tap down, and lengthen. Last one, up, extend, tap down, lengthen. Rotate the top leg, right leg parallel. From here, 4 rotations. Rotate to ceiling and bring it back. Rotate to ceiling and bring it back. 2 more. Ceiling and back, ceiling and back. Both legs meet, bend the knees slightly, roll on over to your back. Feet onto the mat. Arms down by our sides, take a deep breath. And from here, engage core. Navel draws to spine. Bring your hands behind the head. We're gonna fully support the head here, come into our belly burn. So peel that upper back off of the mat. Keep core engaged. Teeny tiny little pulses. We're gonna go for 25. From here, take a deep breath, and on you go. Keep that core strong. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, release. Lift up your feet 90 degrees with the knees. Right hand, left knee. They're not going anywhere. Maintain that connection. Extend your left arm, right leg, bring it back into center. Extend, bring it back. You want a little bit more? Peel the upper back off of the mat. Keep that curl, extend, bring it back. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, lower head, switch hands, left hand, right knee, maintain that connection. Opposite side, bring the curl in if you wish, extend and center. Strong core. Halfway. Two more. Last one. Bring it in. Lower your head. Hold on to the back of your thighs. Draw knees into chest. Inhale. Exhale. Extend legs. Flex feet. Curl. Inhale to mat. Exhale. Extend legs. Flex feet. Curl. Inhale to mat. 2 more. Last one. And bring it in. Lower your head. Lengthen your legs. Inhale, reach your arms up and overhead. Take a full body stretch. Exhale, soften. Walk your heels, head and hands over to the left hand side. Side body stretch. 2 breaths. Walk it through center, opposite side. 2 breaths. And bring it back. Full body stretch. And release. Now angel your arms all the way down to your sides. Close your eyes. Take 3 big breaths. Breathe in. Let it go. Let your body soften. Relax. The work is done. Stay here for as long as you need. Let yourself rest. Thank you so much for joining me today for your complete core class. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day.